Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to combine two images in Midjourney. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your Discord app. Then, go to your Midjourney server, type in /blend or /imagine, then add the URL of the first image, and then the URL of the second image, and add the additional prompt that you want to add. After that, I am going to go ahead and hit the enter button. And then, the AI will present the result to you, which is the combined two images in Midjourney. But, please take note that due to the high demand, Midjourney can only be accessed through a paid subscription. So for you to get the result, just subscribe to Midjourney and it will then give you the combined two images that you are looking for. But do not worry, because if you don't have budget for the meantime, another thing you can do is to proceed with other website alternatives. So the other website that we can use is Leonardo AI. So here in Leonardo, you have the option to merge images for free by using the editor. So what you want to do right now is to upload your photos that you want to merge. And just simply use the editor and you will be able to combine the two images with the features that it has. And just like this, here's the result. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now combine two images in Midjourney. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.